Let's get started.
See how it goes. So theoretically, I've got 4 jacks, 2 6 tons in the middle, 2 3 tons on the axle, and then I should be able to lower the vehicle and remove the leaf spring. Now it's just a matter of cutting out the U-bolts and removing the bolts, getting that leaf spring out. So I've got that bolt right there. It seems to be giving me a problem, so we're going to go ahead and cut it off. Here we go again. Well, it's out. Key lesson from me is to take that dang shock off. I forgot to take the shock off of the leaf spring bracket. So after reworking it, I'm going to stick with these shackles. Finally got it out. Well, we got the bare essentials going. And lo and behold, we do have the leaf spring installed. Benzing with the condenser on the U-bolts. So let's tidy it up. Anyway, no big deal, no big deal. Piece of cake. She's in. Bum, 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 bum.
Like and subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.